Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off silent mode on your iPhone even if your switcher button at the left edge of your device is broken. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first let me turn silent mode on. I can just use that switcher. Now it says that silent mode on, and now let me show you how you can easily disable it without using that switcher. So first off, get into settings, then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then hit add touch, then tap add assistive touch and enable this feature. Just hit at that switcher next to assistive touch, and that gives you that kind of button on your screen. You can hold down your finger on it and move it along right edge of the screen, so you can position it wherever you want. And all you have to do in order to toggle off silent mode is just tap on that button, then hit add device, and then hit add unmute. Just like that, silent mode off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.